All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a person who enjoys cooking for others. Yes, please.
Well, there are many persons in my life, but one of my favorite uh, person is Aslam, which is my closest friend. So that's why I like most. And she likes food. She cook many foods.
Aslam is she?
He, Aslam, he likes
Okay.
many foods like biryani, sharbat, etc. So in special occasions, uh, he invited me as well. So that's why uh,
You have
we,
to speak
we
for minimum 1 minute. Carry on.
okay.
Consider the topic. Put the
Okay.
topic in front of you and speak according to the topic. Yes.
Since childhood, he fond of cooking, so that's why he like most food. In my area, there are many foods, but he used to that foods as compared to me.
Okay. All right, this answer is still short.
Okay,
So
sir.
for speaking part 2, don't put the topic in your pocket.
Okay,
Topic
sir.
should be right in front of you. As you are talking, take a look at the topic, and in actual exam, allow the examiner to stop you.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, if your answer is short, less than a minute, you will get very low band score for that, okay?
Okay.
Now, let's go on. Speaking part 3. What do we need to prepare when we need to cook?
We need to prepare cooking foods, utensils as well. So gas and matchbox,
Okay,
like that stuff we should need to.
right. Which dishes are a must at festivals in your hometown?
In my opinion, biryani and sharbat is as compared to other foods. These are most favorite for people. So that's why people like most
Uh,
that food.
okay. Well, your English is fine, but you're not speaking that much. So
Okay.
try to expand your answer. Try to speak more, then it'll be fine. At
Okay.
present, I'll give you 5 band generously.
Okay.
Okay.
I
But
will
you have
improve
the
it.
ability to take it to 6, 6.5. Okay. You
Okay.
can do that. Thank you.